Hi, this is Cooking with Patrick, and today I'm going to show you how to cook chicken chow mein. It's like a stir-fried chicken noodle. Okay, let's get started now. So, just how to okay, we let the wok nice and hot. Pour the vegetable oil, about half a cup, and just wait for it to become very hot. Now we can put our cabbage, shredded cabbage. Cook a couple of minutes, and then we can add our chicken. Then we got our carrot here. Then we got our noodle. It's about 900 grams. Now we can add all our sauces. We got here light soy sauce. We got our fish sauce, dark soy sauce, sesame oil, and then we got the cooking wine. We will add the garlic sauce at the end. You got a nice color of the soy sauce. And then now we can add our bean sprout. Our garlic chives. Spring onion, and then we can add our garlic sauce near the end, like that. And then lastly we can add our omelette. It's ready, and we're just gonna then this is my chicken chow mein. Thanks for watching.